Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you cannot recongize the USB connection. Check if the printer is running, disconnect the cable from the printer, click retry, and then connect the cable again. If the printer is still not recognized automatically, disconnect the cable from the printer, turn off the printer, and then turn it back on again, and then connect the again after the restart process is finished. Let's go start. Open any web browser and search for the printer driver update versions in the search bar. We are typing to my printer model Canon LBP6030. I have opened the necessary link first. Which architecture do you want for the system drivers? Go to this PC and right-click on it, and select Properties from the menu option. My operating system is 64-bit. Back to browser. So, I select the download of the 64-bit printer driver for my computer. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Go to the download file and copy or cut the printer driver LBP6030. Paste the desktop. Right-click on it and select the extract files or unzip from the menu. OK, click. Go to Control Panel. Select Category Small Icons. Then click on Devices and Printers under Control Panel. Click on Add a Printer. Just search for printer driver, and if you don't find it here, then click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Then click on Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Choose a printer port. We are select use an existing port. And select USB. Then click Next. After new window opens, then click on a disk. Click Browser and go to already copy the download file. Follow me. Select driver and click OK. Next, click Installing printer process. If you want to share this printer, do not share this printer, click Next. Install the printer successfully, so click Finish. Already show the printer icon on Control Panel. Try to print any document. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.